हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द प्रोडक्ट गाय। आज की वीडियो में विल टॉक अबाउट व्हाट स्किल्स डू यू एक्चुअली नीड टू बिकम अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर इन इंडिया। सो लास्ट ईयर देयर वर टू पीपल फ्रॉम द सेम कॉलेज ईयर हु अप्लाइड फॉर द सेम पीएम रोल एंड दोनों ने सर्टिफिकेशंस करे थे। येट वन ऑफ देम गॉट सेलेक्टेड एंड द अदर couldn't even clear a single round. So the reason behind it, the difference was the skills that uh, the individual guys had. So स्टार्ट करते हैं ये वीडियो। जैसे सारे लोग कहते हैं, एवरीवन सेज कि यू नीड टू learn 25 frameworks, you need to do 3 certifications, you need to read 10 books about product management, then you will build some skills on कि हाँ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है, कैसे चीज़ें प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट में वर्क करती हैं। बट टू क्लियर ऑल दीज थिंग्स स्टार्ट करता हूँ विद टेलिंग यू गाइस कि क्या चीज़ रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है। पहले तो टू क्लियर अ मिथ, सबसे पहला चीज़, कोडिंग इज़ नॉट रिक्वायर्ड। कोडिंग इज़ नॉट एट ऑल रिक्वायर्ड टू बिकम अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर। Still, if you have a knowledge based on coding, it would stand you out from others if you had some technical knowledge as well. Like आप development करके आए हो तो you will understand better how the tech teams would work, the technical feasibilities of multiple features or whatever you are saying. And then no MBA. MBA is not at all a required degree for becoming a product manager. It would be easy for an MBA guy to step into a PM role, but it's not the required one. Then it's not at all required to memorize framework. कंपनीज को वो लोग नहीं चाहिए कि जो जिनको फ्रेमवर्क सारे याद हों। दे hire people for their thinking. They do not hire them for frameworks they know. सेकेंड स्टेप पे आते हैं। So the second one is product sense. It is one of the most important skills that a product manager should possess. Like उसमें कुछ questions होते हैं, like can you identify the real user problem is one, ठीक है। फिर can you break down apps like Swiggy, Zomato कि वो कैसे logically work करते हैं, these things. Then can you suggest improvements in any of the applications, if let's say make my trip तो उसका booking flow में कुछ improvements आप बता दो to optimize it. सो द थर्ड वन इज स्ट्रक्चर्ड थिंकिंग। इंटरव्यूज में ना लोगों का काफ़ी अच्छे से इंटरव्यू जाता है, बट व्हाट डजंट वर्क फॉर देम इज दे मेक chaos इन द इंटरव्यू। लाइक देयर इज़ नो स्ट्रक्चर इन देयर थिंकिंग। वो कभी कुछ बोलने हैं फिर एकदम से कुछ और बोलने लग जाते हैं। सो इस तरीके से इंटरव्यू में दे क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ chaos. Whenever something is asked, structure it down into steps, into points. And if let's say there is a problem given to you, then break that problem into parts, into minute parts, and solve part by part. So thinking step by step is one of the essential or necessary skill that a product manager should possess. This doubles the chances of your selection in the interviews if your thinking is structured. So the fourth step would be the metrics and business understanding which you have. Like PMs are just based on the impact they create in the organization. So a PM, ideal PM should understand what retention is, what CAC versus LTV is, what are retention drivers, what are revenue drivers, what are conversion funnels. So all these things a PM should know. And if you are a PM who can't connect features to numbers, then you are just building some random things based on your ideas, but you are not managing products. So metrics and business understanding is also one of the necessary skills required to be a PM. Coming to the fifth step and the most essential step for a PM is communication. This is the most necessary skill required to become a product manager, because if you have ideas, how to translate it down, how to convey it down to the other teams, how to align the teams, how to align the stakeholders is something communication would help you a lot around. So communication is a superpower of a product manager, you can say. So now to summarize, we came across 4 skills. First, product sense. Second, structured thinking. Third, metrics and business understanding. And fourth is communication. So these are the skills required to be a product manager in India. So let me know in the comment section about which of the skills you are the weakest at, so that we can focus more on those. And yeah, till that, all the best.